Hi, welcome to the channel. My name's Simran and I know it's been a while. However, I'm back with you guys. I did miss you guys. So thank you so much for taking some time out today to come and watch my video. I know like there could be so many other things that you could be doing right now, this moment, but you've chosen to spend a few minutes with me and I appreciate that so much. You don't even want to know. Right, but you do, because I'm going to tell you. If you are brand new, my name's Simran. Welcome. Please do consider joining the family. If you're into vlogs, reviews, travel, anything shopping related really, and sometimes I do random videos as well on travel and just story life. Actually, I still do have a story life to share with you guys, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that story together because I know I've still got part 2 to do and I've still got part 3 to do, which I will share with you guys. So I feel like it might actually help someone who may be going in a similar situation. Yeah, because it's been insane, guys. You don't even want to know. Like I don't even feel like I manifested it, but obviously I did because I'm all into manifestation. But it was just, I don't even know what to tell you, but I do want to tell you and I will tell you because I believe that I believe in like being open with you guys. Right, so without further ado, let's start with today's video. As you probably gathered from the title, today's video is actually on a purchase that I purchased last year in March, which is the historic mini monogram bracelet from Louis Vuitton, which is this bracelet here. When I purchased it, it was like £190. I'm not sure if the price has gone up. However, what I will do for you guys is I will link in the description box below so you guys can check it out to see because you might be interested in purchasing it because it is a nice bracelet. However, I've had a few issues with it, which I'm a little bit disappointed, and that's probably the reason why I've made this video today, just to help somebody out there who may be contemplating on purchasing this item. Right, so here she is. So as you know, I've done the unboxing video with you guys before, which I'm going to link in the description box for you guys so you can check the video out because it tells you exactly what you get with the purchase of this bracelet. So obviously you're going to get your box, etc., but like I said, that's going to be in the video which I'm linking below. That's the other unboxing video for you guys. Right, so as we know, this is actually made of leather and it's got the Louis Vuitton logos all around, and then obviously you've got the clasp, which used to be gold, guys, but however, if you have a look, can you see that? So it used to be gold, however, it's kind of gone silver plus confused, plus it's not sure if it's gold anymore, which is what I'm really disappointed about. Because, I mean, obviously, I like the bracelet. That's why I purchased it. Obviously, it looks good in my stack of bracelets. However, that does not look nice. Considering the price that you're paying, it's like £190. And I'd understand, guys, if I lived like, you know, like that lifestyle of like hard work, construction, or like work that was difficult where a lot of, you know, the bracelet would get damaged. However, I don't live that life. And obviously I've been in India for like 5 months and I definitely didn't live that life there. So I'm a bit confused why this is actually chipped. I haven't actually officially contacted Louis Vuitton yet. However, it has been above the year and I don't know, I think I've kind of lost the enthusiasm now to actually have it fixed. Maybe, I'm not sure yet. So I'm actually a little bit disappointed, and I feel like I'm not the only one who's had this issue. There are other YouTube videos out there where people have actually complained about the fact that they're the gold chips. I get it. I mean, it's not real gold. I get it. So that probably one of the reasons, but not so fast, especially in comparison to something else that I purchased with them that is costume jewelry that has lasted me a year and above. So as far as my review on this, it's definitely, if you're contemplating purchasing this, I'd say there's other things out there that you could probably buy that's going to look nicer and last you longer. However, don't let that sway you. If you like it and you really, really want it, because that was with me as well, then yeah, buy it. But however, I wouldn't really recommend this, especially if it's going to do that within a year. However, I do have a positive for you guys, and that was my next purchase. So this part of the video is kind of like a reveal stroke. It's a reveal, but it's also a purchase that I've had for like a good almost a year now. And it's the PM Louise earrings, which I'm actually currently wearing, which I'm obsessed with. Let me just take one off for you guys. These are amazing. Like, you know, when the Louise earrings came out and everybody bought them, I love them on everyone else, but I just felt like they're so big. When am I going to wear them? I'm never going to get a chance to wear them. However, these are ideal for work, They don't look too much. It's like people who know about this would know the brand. Otherwise you wouldn't really, they're not in your face. Unless you know about designer brands, unless you're in the know, you're not really gonna know, if that makes sense. Like, it's not screaming Louis Vuitton, you know? However, it's still adding a little, it elevates any outfit as well. And if you look at the actual gold, these are not real gold, just to let you guys know, and they are expensive for what they are. They're £365 to purchase, which is, I know, is a lot, but I do think they are worth the price for the amount of wear I've gotten out them so far. They're easy to wear, they're not too heavy on my ears. Like I said, they go with literally anything. You can't go wrong with a classic small gold hoop. I feel like they're always going to be on trend in fashion. They're never going to be outdated. And you know, with your hair up, with your hair down, they just look nice and chic. Would I recommend these? 110%. Number one, it was like the cutest little dust bag. Obviously you can see this dust bag has been used and abused. I got the cutest little dust bag with them. Obviously you get the Louis Vuitton box, the receipt, etc, etc. The experience was amazing, and obviously the actual jewelry itself, amazing. So if you're asking me, would I recommend you purchasing the Louise PM Louis Vuitton earrings, I would say 110% yes. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to link them below so you can have a look at each item and make a choice for yourself. But 110% guys, yeah, these, so beautiful, so obsessed, I love them. So beautiful, so obsessed, I love them. My next purchase, I have actually thought about what I would like to purchase next, considering the wearability out of these are the Gucci earrings. I've forgotten the name, but they're like literally similar to this, but they've got the GG and it's kind of like a chain. That would probably be my next costume jewelry purchase, which I will link a picture somewhere here so you guys can have a look. And yeah, so in summary, the monogram bracelet, historic mini monogram bracelet, it's a no from me. I like it, it's pretty, but there's probably other bracelets out there that, or you could probably add extra money. But yeah, I'm not too impressed with this. I'd probably purchase gold, real gold. The earrings, obsessed. Would I get another pair? Perhaps. So yeah, that was my mini review for you guys today, and it was really quick, but I just thought I'd get myself back into the habit of making videos, which is what I'm going to plan to do. I've got an unboxing for you guys. I've got some new makeup that I've purchased that I want to share with you guys. Tell me if you like this setup. Tell me if you like the camera here. I just feel like everything's TikTok, everything's Reels now, so people are probably just used to this. Also, my Canon camera is broken, so that's probably held me back a little bit as well, but it's on its way to be repaired. So I figured let me just get the iPhone out and let's do this. I have also purchased a microphone, which I haven't used. I might do a review of my microphone as well with you guys coming up soon. So yeah, so that was today's video. Thank you so much. Please do say hi in the comment box, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. And oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment, because I really missed you guys. So I really feel like I need to say hi again and, you know, just bond over YouTube, because I missed you guys. Right, till then, take care. Thank you. Bye.